Hey guys, Villarreal here. Today we're going to be doing a new weekly thing that I have come up with to make more content for you guys, and that is reacting to the price of Bitcoin on the start of the week and the end of the week. So this will be a Monday and Sunday type deal where you'll get two videos back to back, 2 days in a row, and you'll get to know a little bit more about where I think Bitcoin's going to go for this week, and then we'll go back and kind of see where my thoughts were right, wrong, or left, right, center, whatever it is. You'll get to know the answer of my weekly technical analysis. Now, this is a channel where I do not trade. I don't trade any cryptocurrency. I think if you trade cryptocurrency, you're wanting to get rich quick. Same thing with like if you want to trade stocks or anything else. For me, it's long-term gain, long-term hold, and I'm a long-term investor. So if you follow those same rituals and same principles like me, feel free, comment, like, follow down below, and without any further ado, let's get straight to the YouTube video of where the price of Bitcoin is right now. Now, I do have my Bitcoin chart right here, and we are seeing that we did get rejected off our $27,300 level, roughly. Now, what does this mean for the price of Bitcoin falling forward? Well, if we take out our favorite retracement tool right here, we go from the bottom of where we came up to the very top, you can see that we are going to retrace roughly around our 382 level and our 0.5 level. Now, if you take it back down to where we were before we broke out, you can see that we didn't really retrace back. So I think if we were to retrace back anywhere, it would be around the 0.5. So we would probably come back to about $26,000. But what this does mean is that we are now forming another week of us trying to break through this $27,000 price level, which is really good news and really bullish news, because the more we retest that level, the more times we're likely to be breaking out of that level. Now you can see we have hold this level down here for the weekly for about a week now. We'll grab my tool out right here, date range. So we would roughly trade inside this range for now what it seems to be almost a month, which if we go over to the monthly chart of where Bitcoin is, you can see that we are currently, let me get rid of all this other shenanigans, we have formed a green monthly candle for September, which is really cool because we only have 12 days left into the month, and if we can get above right here around $29,000 and close above this, that means we would have null and voided this candle right here to the downside. Now we just have to get above this, and I think if we get above this, we can retest and maybe get another candle up here and retest a $37,000 price level. Now if you want to see what that looks like on a horizontal line, price level right here, and then we'll do another price level right here at 37. So that would give us another room, an expected move from the point we are right now, about 40%, which is not outside of line with where our other percentage goes. So you can see right here where we did the first month over here in January, we roughly went up by 40%, traded sideways for a little bit, and the following months we did another 25% move, or roughly 40% if you want to count this top as well. So if we were to do that right there, we're going to get rid of all these and go right up here and say the same measured move of this line right here. Let's say this is kind of like a descending wedge right here, full right there. Fix the lines a little bit. Say this is a descending wedge. You can see if we have this measured move up to here, our breakout point would put us right about $53,000. But I think in the next following weeks, October, we could see around 37,000, and maybe we'll see if we'll retest that level, and maybe we get rejected, maybe we get accepted at it. But that means that this week is very bullish, and I think at the start of the video where I was explaining my other YouTube video, which I'll show you guys right now, the first chart I want to show you guys is this one. In this chart, I want to show you guys where Bitcoin is currently. We are seeing roughly around $25,900. Now, everybody knows that September is a red month for Bitcoin. But do I think this time is different? I do think so. Because if you look back, the past 6 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going back all the way to 2017, they are all red months. But do I think this time is different? Yes, I do, because this would be too easy for the novice investor to think that Bitcoin's going to go. I posted this video about September 3rd, 2023. So roughly like 2 weeks ago, I posted this video, right? And you can see as it has happened, we go back to the daily chart right now, we have essentially just broken out of the zone. And I said that people might go short here, and we'll get a lot of people that go short, but a lot of people got liquidated right here at the $25,000 price level. And so you can see kind of the same reaction 2 weeks later. I mean, I didn't predict it the same day, but I think for me to be able to predict to say that Bitcoin was going to go short, and then people were going to get liquidated from their shorts, I mean, it's just too easy. It's just too easy. And if you go look at the monthly chart, where we are about to close for Bitcoin, super bullish as well. I mean, just this month, we're already about 3% above. If you go over to this guy, El Mustouche, he makes some pretty good crypto content about where we are currently, But he posted this 2 hours ago. The green and blue on the Williams alligator cross. I mean, this is just craziness right here. You see, we have that $27,000 price level, and we've broken out of it. So this could be a super bullish thing for the month of October. Because if you know anything about October, which is kind of crazy, I think he has another graph which I stole him. Essentially, we are now up 3% on this month. And so what does this put us here? Maybe we get a 10% or 15, 20% move right here. Maybe we close the month at a 10% gain, right? We lost 10%, scare some people, make people think that September is going to be a wreck-tember. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but the market's all about psychology. And if you learn anything about psychology, you probably hear it a lot of times from everybody else saying it. Psychology is what drives the markets. And human psychology is probably the best psychology to understand because we're just like me and you, brother. We're in this together. I'm your friend. We are going to get through this bull run together. Now, that means there will be people that lose a shit ton of money at the top. That means there'll be people that lose a ton of money on the bottom. But we're in this drive together, and I hope to see you guys next time in the next video. Peace.